gonna be that kind of vlog today. Yeah, basically what's gonna happen today, hopefully you can hear me, is I have to dig out this trench right here. Let me show you. I have to dig out this trench here because what happens is whenever it rains, and the way that my driveway is, it actually like pulls down into like this area around here, and it's been bothering me for a while. So what I want to do is dig from here all the way down to back there, probably a foot or so. Stick a drain in there so it drains everything from here, and that way that little damage down there stops happening. That's been going on for some time now, so we want to get that taken care of today. There we go, focus. And so yeah, that's going to be my goal. It is currently 10:35, and I want to get it started by lunch and done by around 2. Hopefully it won't take that long, but yeah, it's going to be my thing for today. We're going to talk about some photography stuff towards the end of the video, but yeah, that's what we got going on. So let's do it. Okay, I'm headed to Home Depot right now. Actually, let me show you guys this. So if you guys can see that, I may have to get that a little bit darker, and then there's my little diagram, if y'all can see the diagram. I mean, it's not the best diagram in the world, but you know, it gets the job done, I guess. But basically, I'm gonna need a 25-foot drain, or not a 25-foot drain, but a 25-foot pipe. And what I'm gonna do is probably just dig the trench, and then after the trench is dug, I'm gonna put rocks on top of the drain. That way no dirt or the least amount of dirt goes down into it, so it'll probably be like a perforated pipe. Yeah, so that way it looks nice over on the side and it's functional, and you know, no dirt clogs up the pipes. Well, hopefully no dirt clogs up the pipes. That's what we don't want. So you guys sit back, relax, and watch me work, because I'm sure you guys don't want to do this stuff either. It's not really that I don't want to do it, it's just I haven't felt like doing it. But today I'm extra motivated, and I hope you guys get motivated for my motivation to get up, go, and do some stuff. Like I set up like 2 or 3 videos that I had kind of stockpiled, and that'll be coming out, you know, pretty soon as well. So see you guys when I get to Home Depot, I guess. I might be recording going inside. I'm feeling real good today, man. Feeling real good today. So I might be recording when I go inside. We'll see. I may get nervous, but I'm gonna try to stick to it. So, got the rocks, the pipe, grass, and some more pipes and stuff. Some extra stuff there. That's about it. Pretty much got everything, man. A whole lot of other stuff that I'd go for. So, other than those scissors. Woo! It is humid today. Hot and humid. Mal, sin ti no me va bien, tampoco me va mal. Pase lo que pase, no te voy a llamar. Ya yo me...
Man, this is hard work, man. Sorry, there's people over there cutting that grass. Yeah, this is hard work, dude. Good sweat. My battery died on my camera, so I had to switch over to the iPad. And the iPad died, so I had to switch over to my phone. And my phone is about to die. So it's been a time. It's definitely been a time. Let me show y'all real quick what it looks like. My problem, I gotta clean that up. My problem is the rain, as you can see, coming down here. It comes down here and then it pools in this area over here. And it just sits and collects until it dries, basically. So I dug a trench. I put a flex hose down there, a perforated flex hose, and installed the little grate thing for the rainwater to go in. And it goes all the way down here. And there's a hole in the fence where my dog was getting out, so I had to cover that part with bricks. So hopefully the water rolls out of there. And if it does collect here, it'll roll over to here, and I'm hoping that it'll catch in that little area there, so I didn't cover it up. So that way it'll flow out the rest of the way. But I got a little more stuff to clean up, and then I'm done. So yeah, man, this is something else. I am drenched, completely soaked, just sweat. My Apple Watch says I burned almost 1,100 calories, right at 1,100 calories. So who knows? It's an Apple Watch. So anyway, I said there was going to be some photography stuff to end this off with, but to be honest with you, I'm so tired. I don't even remember what the topic was supposed to be. Yeah, I don't know. I recently got booked for a wedding. Something small, not too big, small little ceremony. Can't be too big, of course, because, we're still in the pandemic, but people are acting like it's not right now. So, yeah, so I'm going to finish cleaning up this yard, get in the house, take a shower. And I really wish I had a beer. That'd be really nice. A good cold beer would be awesome. Anyway, that's it. Until next time. See you guys later. Oh, good vibes. And be the light that shines in the darkness.